Breaking news. The commander of South Sudan People Movement, Stephen Buay Rolnyaang, claimed full responsible for the attack that killed Mayom County Commissioner this morning, in letter seen by Bentiu TV. According to a statement linked with the rebel group, the South Sudan People Movement, led by the formerly demoted SSPDF General Stephen Buay Rolnyaang, claimed responsible for the attack, saying his force had captured some part of Mayom County. At least 10 people reported dead, including the Commissioner, Honorable Chol Galwak Manime. This is a sad news moment for the people of Bentiu. Chol Galwak Manime is no longer with us. The source of information is Bentiu TV. Link up with more information on the developing stories.